What if you could talk to your glasses, wear a pin that knows your mood, or use a device that can create anything you imagine? This may seem like a fantasy from the future, right? Think again. This is the reality of today. These are some of the examples of a new trend of tech devices that are powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. But how do we interact with AI? How do we communicate with it, control it, or collaborate with it? That's where AI-powered tech hardware comes in. These are devices that are designed around artificial intelligence rather than computing power. They offer new ways of interacting with AI that are more natural, intuitive, and immersive than traditional devices, such as smartphones, laptops, or tablets. They use voice, gesture, or brain signals as input methods instead of touchscreens or keyboards. In this video, we will explore the details, impact, and challenges of these devices in 3 sections. We will look at some of the examples of AI-powered tech hardware that are already available or in development, such as Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, Humane's AIpin, and OpenAI's possible AI product. We will also discuss the potential impact of these devices on the tech industry and the society, and whether they can replicate the success of the iPhone. Finally, we will analyze the challenges and risks that these devices face in terms of development and adoption. So stay tuned and let's dive into the world of AI-powered tech hardware. What are AI-powered tech hardware, and how do they differ from traditional tech devices? Let's start with some definitions and examples. AI-powered tech hardware are devices that are designed around artificial intelligence rather than computing power. This means that these devices are not just using AI as a feature or an app, but as the core of their design and functionality. They are built to enable new forms of interaction with AI that go beyond the limitations of conventional devices. For example, instead of typing on a screen or clicking on a mouse, you can use your voice or your gestures to control these devices. Instead of looking at a flat display or wearing bulky headphones, you can see or hear information in augmented reality or spatial audio. Instead of using predefined commands or menus, you can have natural conversations with these devices or ask them open-ended questions. One example of an AI-powered tech hardware device is Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. These are sunglasses that have built-in microphones and speakers that let you talk to Facebook's voice assistant. You can use your voice to take photos or videos, listen to music or podcasts, make calls or send messages, get directions or weather updates, and more. You can also use a touchpad on the side of the glasses to control them manually. The glasses have a discrete LED light that indicates when they are recording or listening. The glasses also have privacy features that let you mute them or turn them off completely. Another example of an AI-powered tech hardware device is Humane's AIpin. This is a wearable device that looks like a pin or a brooch that you can attach to your clothing or accessories. The device has a microphone and a speaker that let you talk to Humane's voice assistant. You can use your voice to access information, services, or entertainment from various sources and platforms. The device also has sensors that can detect your mood, context, and preferences, and provide personalized suggestions and recommendations. The device also has haptic feedback that lets you feel vibrations or pulses when you interact with it. A third example of an AI-powered tech hardware device is OpenAI's possible AI product. This is a device that is rumored to be in development by OpenAI, a research organization that aims to create artificial general intelligence, AGI, which is AI that can perform any task that humans can do. The device is also said to involve Jony Ive, the former chief design officer of Apple, who was responsible for designing iconic products such as the iPhone, the iPad, and the Apple Watch. The details of this device are still unknown, but some speculate that it could be a device that can generate anything you imagine using OpenAI's powerful generative models, such as GPT-3 or DALL-E. These are AI systems that can create text, images, or audio based on your input or prompt. What is the potential impact of AI-powered tech hardware on the tech industry and the society? Let's start with some data and predictions. According to Business Insider, the global market for AI-powered tech hardware will reach $1.9 trillion by 2025, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 26.8%. These devices could also help us learn new skills or knowledge by providing us with personalized guidance, feedback, or resources. These devices could also help us express ourselves more creatively by providing us with tools, platforms, or inspiration to create content, art, or music. Also, it could help us communicate more easily and naturally by providing us with translation, transcription, or interpretation services. These devices could also help us enjoy ourselves more by providing us with entertainment, games, or stories. However, there are also some ethical and social implications that these devices could have, such as privacy, security, regulation, and human-AI relationship. For example, these devices could raise privacy concerns by collecting and processing our personal data, such as our voice, location, mood, or preferences. How will these data be stored, shared, or used by the device makers or third parties? How will we be able to control or delete our data if we want to? These devices could also raise security concerns by being vulnerable to hacking, spoofing, or manipulation. How will these devices be protected from unauthorized access or misuse? How will we be able to verify or trust the information or actions of these devices? These devices could also raise regulation concerns by being subject to different laws and standards in different countries or regions. How will these devices comply with the rules and regulations of different markets? How will we be able to enforce or monitor the compliance of these devices? These devices could also raise human-AI relationship concerns by changing how we interact with ourselves, others, or machines. How will these devices affect our sense of identity, agency, or autonomy? How will these devices affect our emotional attachment, trust, or dependence on machines? What are the challenges and risks that AI-powered tech hardware face in terms of development and adoption? Let's start with some examples and opinions. According to Business Insider, there are many technical difficulties that these devices encounter, such as battery life, connectivity, compatibility, and reliability. These are some of the factors that affect the performance, quality, and usability of these devices. For example, battery life is a major challenge for these devices that rely on voice or gesture input, as they need to be constantly on and listening or sensing. Connectivity is a major challenge for these devices that rely on cloud-based AI services, as they need to have stable and fast internet access or data plans. Compatibility is a major challenge for these devices that rely on different platforms or ecosystems, as they need to work seamlessly with other devices or apps. Reliability is a major challenge for these devices that rely on AI algorithms, as they need to be accurate and consistent in their responses or actions. These technical difficulties could affect the development and adoption of these devices, as they could make them more expensive, complex, or frustrating to use. Some experts and users have expressed their doubts or criticisms about these devices, saying that they are not ready for the mass market or that they are not worth the hype. For example, some experts have said that Facebook's Ray-Ban smartglasses are too limited in their functionality and too similar to Snapchat's spectacles, which failed to gain popularity. Some users have said that Humane's AIpin is too vague in its purpose and too invasive in its data collection. Some experts have said that OpenAI's possible AI product is too ambitious in its goal and too risky in its implications. However, there are also some opportunities and solutions that these devices could pursue to overcome these challenges and risks. Some experts and users have also expressed their optimism or enthusiasm about these devices, saying that they are innovative, useful, or fun to use. For example, some experts have said that Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses are a step forward in the evolution of wearable tech and a glimpse into the future of augmented reality. Some users have said that Humane's AIpin is a novel way of interacting with AI and a personal assistant that adapts to your needs. Some experts have said that OpenAI's possible AI product is a breakthrough in the field of artificial general intelligence and a device that could unleash human creativity. These are some of the challenges and risks that AI-powered tech hardware face in terms of development and adoption. As you can see, these devices have both strengths and weaknesses in their technical and user aspects. They also have both supporters and critics in their expert and user opinions. But will these devices be able to succeed in the market and become the next big thing in tech? In this video, we have explored the details, impact, and challenges of AI-powered tech hardware. We have looked at some of the examples of these devices that are already available or in development, such as Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, Humane's AIpin, and OpenAI's possible AI product. We have also discussed the potential impact of these devices on the tech industry and the society, and whether they can replicate the success of the iPhone. Finally, we have analyzed the challenges and risks that these devices face in terms of development and adoption. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about AI-powered tech hardware. If you did, please give us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.